mga kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their service to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we are going to talk about cars.
Yes.
Okay?
So, sa mga car enthusiasts, for sure, meron kayong mapupulot dito.
Yes. So, naghahanap ka kung saan mo pwedeng ipatint ang sasakyan mo. I think this video is for you.
Yes, so tara,
Let's go!
Kabalen, i-andrin ko yung muli. Kapot ating sasakyan, syempre, ano nga rin gawin tama?
Pakamalan tayo.
Pakamalan tayo, pakasesen tayo.
Yes.
O pakalinis tayo, setup tayo. Meron pa rin sa setup tayo, itang tint.
Yes.
Ordinary tints and ceramic tints are not created as equal.
Yes, yes.
Some brands are just better than others. Ngayapin mo ata. Film, iba't siya kayo kay Thailand. Product and Technology of Thailand. Uling ceramic tint siya. In ceramic tint po, non-metallic in composition na. Uling in metal, mag-conduct yung pali. In non-metallic, mas mata siya heat rejection. So it can effectively black out pali mas comfortably. Maka-save ka pang gas. In benefit naman king driver, sir, kung i-compare tayo ceramic tint in ordinary tint, yung visibility na ng ceramic tint, mas clear yan inside. Lalo na yung BF tint. It's undeniably dark outside.
Yes.
Pero po tanglawin na po kilo, clear inside. Nung mag-invest ko rin po yung tint, pati pa po kayo masantig. It's for you and for your vehicle. Choose the tint you deserve. Siyempre, walang ceramic tint siya. Expecta na po, a little bit pricey, but it's worth the investment. Yung warranty mi po, 7 to 18 years. Then price po ako sulak yung Facebook page ni, DIN88 Marketing, Authorized Dealer of BF Film Pampanga. First in Pampanga.
Okay.
Located kaya po galing Sindalan, San Fernando. Lelene po na yung kay BIR, malapit din po kay Olfo. Masaglit po, just waste DIN88 Marketing. Operational hours mi po, 8 to 5, Monday to Saturday.
We're gonna give you more videos about playing BF Film. And again, if you have any questions or inquiries, leave them at the comment section. So, depende sa sasakyan. So, a sedan usually takes around 2 to 3 hours. At the time, they would need to finish everything. So, make sure to schedule your visit here para hindi rin tamaan yung mga ibang lakad ninyo, di ba?
Dito naman makikita natin yung pinaka-sample ng mga tint nila. So, explain ni sir kung ano yung mga reduced level ng mga tint nila.
Ito yung heat tester po na. Kuwari, ito po, walang tint. Yan po yung nararamdaman yung init. So talagang mainit.
Yes, mararamdaman mo kayong init nila.
Opo. Kung nakaano kayo sir, top of the line, 97% heat rejection. Alos wala na pong ramdam na init. Kaya mas comfortable po kung nagdadrive kayo na naka-top of the line kayo. Which is the Supreme.
Ang laki ng difference nung from the basic tint or mga ordinary tint sa Supreme tint, ang laki ng difference.
Opo. Tapos ito yung gitna naman, 86% heat rejection. Yung pinakamura po namin, which is the Stone, 71% heat rejection.
Okay, so this is the real test kung visible pa ba sa driver yung ganitong klaseng tint, no? So, Jan's gonna drive. Based sa experience mo, Jan, ano yung tint ng sasakyan ninyo?
Sa amin is ordinary lang. At the same time, yung visibility niya medyo dark.
Medyo dark yung okay.
Comparison naman sa ngayon, ito dark na siya, pero yung visibility mo sa labas is nakikita mo pa rin.
Yeah, actually, so you can still clearly see. So again, the time is around almost 6 o'clock. So madilim na sa labas. So ako naman yung sasakyan ko actually ay meron lang siyang parang light tint lang. So I usually work kasi during the night. Lumalabas ako ganung oras. So nahihirapan ako dun sa mga medyo dark na tint. So comparing it with my tint, no, dito sa ngayon sa tint na to, which is
Supreme tint at the same time naka-dark.
So magkamukha lang yung ano natin, yung visibility natin dun sa labas, no? Kagandahan din dito, yung heat resistance actually is 97% guys. Ang heat reduction niya. So kaninang tinatry din namin siya sa labas. Hindi mahihirapan yung aircon mo. Wow!
Actually, itong tint na to, kumbaga, when it comes sa temperature, maganda siya. At the same time, visibility-wise, malinaw.
Sobrang
malinaw
linaw
pa rin.
Viewing it from outside to inside, hindi ka na nila makikita dito sa loob. Grabe. So, again guys, if you're interested to have this done on your vehicles, make sure to check out yung fan page na we're gonna be flashing on your screens right now. So, yeah, it is really a great investment for your car. And if you want parang comfort din sa sasakyan ninyo, this is a really must-have sa sasakyan. Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, we hope to see you there guys.
Peace out.
Bye.